Hey guys, this is Mike from vidIQ Reviews here, and today we unboxed this speaker that I got from Dollar Tree that's under $10. Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Dollar Tree Finds. This was a nice little Bluetooth speaker that I found under $10. As you can see there, it does have a little tag that says $7, and they had these speakers in several different colors. The brand is called Taboom, so I don't expect this to be the best sounding of speakers. Let's look at the back here really quick. Easy to carry, fabric material, wireless streaming, deep digital bass, long lasting battery. Okay, so we got to take this thing for its word here. Long lasting battery. So obviously for $7, I'm very skeptical. What could you get for $7 from the Dollar Tree, right? As far as stuff like that goes, I would definitely am not super like hey, this is going to be great. But I was kind of surprised from that little $7 Bluetooth speaker that I got. So maybe we'll get a surprise from this little speaker as well. So again, on the box, there's nothing that indicates that this speaker is IP rated or waterproof or anything to that extent, right? So let's go ahead and take a quick thumbnail shot for you guys. Hopefully that looks okay. But yeah, speaker, actually, it's got a good weight to it. Let's take a look here on the back. You do have just plus minus and the power cord. Let's take a look what type of charging. This, I believe, okay, this came out of the box, but looks like it's USB Type-C cable. So again, here's the instruction manual to Boom JAMMIN wireless speaker. So again, I'm trying to get this thing off so we can see the charging port. So again, it looks like you can connect this via USB Type-C, and then that's about it. Other than that, those are the actual plus and minus. So I'm definitely curious to see how this little Bluetooth speaker sounds. Let's go ahead and get this turned on really quick, and I'm gonna probably connect it to my iPhone here so we can try to sync that up. So let's go ahead and go to my Bluetooth really quick, and let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Hopefully it starts like a little syncing thing. There you go. Okay, so I'm assuming there might be like a little light indicator somewhere. You can see that on top there's a speaker down here and on top, so you actually don't have like the actual little grill covered at all. Let's go ahead and look, it's already popping up here on my, oh my gosh, okay, that didn't sound pleasant. I'll tell you guys that much, okay? Let's go ahead and go to YouTube here, guys. I was streaming some AAA, but let's go and see if we can find some of that no copyright sound music that we were playing earlier. Dang, I was listening to a lot of songs. Let's try this one, okay? No copyrighted sound, so. Okay, so you can see that my volume's not that high right now, so. Okay, hold on. Let's find something with a better beat. Let's find something with a better beat, guys. But what do you guys think? Okay, so this came with like black, a dark navy blue, and a red. So let's see. Like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this on. We got this for don't know how. I see danger in All right, here we go. You can see the bass really popping there. Okay. We can lay it down also. Sorry for the camera angle there, guys. Okay, let me see if I can change the volume here. So Okay, it's actually changing the music. Hold on, let me just hold it down. Let me do a long press. All right.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are.
Hold on, let me go back to the song I was playing before.
Just like the straight lines.
Let's fast forward it a little bit. There we go.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now.
All right, guys, I'm gonna pause it really quick. You know, I'm giving you guys a demonstration here, right? And thank you guys for watching and staying with me during this interesting demonstration. Again, I'm not editing a lot of this stuff out. There's no cuts, right? This is real raw VTech reviews here. So first of all, I can tell you just from kind of listening, right? The bass is not very good. It sounds a little choppy when the music gets a little bit too high, not in a bad way, I would say, but like I don't think these little, you know, speakers, like I don't like what's underneath the rest of here. Like, are there more speakers? Like, I kind of want to like open this up and tear it apart. It's not a bad looking Bluetooth speaker. Apparently, you can connect more than one to, you know, your Bluetooth. It says, look, connect. It says right here, connect 2 speakers. For true wireless stereo, right? So to boom, right, .com or whatever. There's even the website right there, to boomusa.com. So that's kind of interesting. It's definitely not a very bad sounding speaker. You know, again, it's like you're getting more treble out of this than anything else. For $7 though, I mean, you know, I think, you know, we're living in an era where, you know, tech has gotten a little expensive, right? In my opinion, tech is a lot more expensive than we need to spend on stuff. And Dollar Tree's throwing out stuff like this to kind of help alleviate some of that. And it's not, like I said, it's not like a JBL speaker. It doesn't have LEDs. You know, it's not. It does what you need it to do, and literally you can put this on your desk. I don't see like any type of what do you call it? I guess auxiliary jack, so that maybe you can connect this to another speaker source. That's not an auxiliary jack. That's literally a screw and a USB Type-C cable. But that little light does indicate that it's on. So again, you know, let's take a look. Let's look at the instruction manual. Maybe there's more information about this. As far as battery life, it just says long battery life. I couldn't tell you right how long the battery life is. This is the exact model though, the JAMMIN model BT345. So if you guys want to look that up, you can. Again, this is just my experience. I guess we can look. Okay, here we go. It's got an 800 milliamp battery. So again, distance 32.8 feet. So charging time 3 to 4 hours, and we got playback time. It says playing time only 1 to 2 hours. So actually really okay. If that's the case, you know, if you take this out, like, you know, to a little outing, you know, you're going to the beach or to the park somewhere out there where you're just trying to like have like an hour workout or hour session, you know, I think this something like this would be fine. Definitely it's definitely not something that, you know, I personally would probably take along with me, just because again, I think I personally like stuff that has better bass. Let's try another song here, though. Let's see. And you can see my volume is basically all the way up. So I'm already peaked out on the volume. I'm probably going to give this to my mom, honestly.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun.
You can see the little speaker on top kind of moving. That's pretty cool.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
All right, one more song. We'll try one more song. Let's zoom back out. and then we're gonna close out, guys. But I really appreciate y'all being here.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and close this out, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put any type of affiliate link down for you guys in the description here, but definitely, you know, there's a lot of options out there when it comes to Bluetooth speakers. So again, I really appreciate you all coming out here for under $10 though. I think, you know, you are getting your money's worth. You know, as far as the battery life goes, you know, if you intend to use this for a longer period of time, right? Let's go ahead and lower this a little bit. If you were intending to use this for like more than an hour or to 2 hours, then you might want to carry around a charger or some type of battery bank so that you can continue using this. But other than that, right, you know, if you're just planning to, you know, hang out and chill out with your friends for a couple of hours, you know, it's still, you know, a good device to have, right? So again, guys, definitely, you know, I approve of this, even though I'm not super satisfied with the bass. It's still a good sounding speaker. The actual like tone of it doesn't sound bad at all. Let's bring it up a little more. Let's bring it up all the way. Let's bring it up all the way. There you go. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and close out, guys. Again, this is the Taboom JAMMIN wireless portable Bluetooth speaker again, guys, for you. Appreciate y'all checking out the video, and again, hit up your Dollar Tree if you guys see this. Check it out yourself. Thank you for watching. Comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Okay.